Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Friday 19 January 2024. My trade setup directions for today will be long on the euro, the pound and the dollar, and short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the yen. My first pick of the day is a potential short on the DAX, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. On the DAX, we still got a bearish trend here, retracing after a big drop. We had a gap there where the market gapped on Tuesday night. Big gap, and usually the gaps get filled, it's just a question when. But now the gap is filling and I'm finding resistance right at the 61% level. And we still have a very strong euro all over. So I'm still interested in selling short here on a nice candle reversal. Then the Dow Jones, the retest, we shorted that. We got right to the target, one of my better target setting in life. But now bouncing back and holding there at this level is inside the trade zone. There's no lateral support or previous structure in the markets, but we've got the rising trend line. So I'm looking at it. I will be cautious now, but if I get a strong reversal there, I'll then do the short based on the strong dollar, bearish trend. Let's hope for the best. The Euro US divergence trade I popped out yesterday on YouTube. So we had the price fails to make a new high while the indicator makes a new high. A nice Heikin-Ashi candle reversal there, and then we shorted. Unfortunately, the reversal candle came in very low. So basically I shorted right at support level, which is not that great, but there's chance to get in better levels. So I shorted there, and it was on the live stream. You could see the targets there. I set the target then to these lows here. I put in a Fibonacci swing on this last swing there, and you can see there basically at the 1.618 Fib. So that's a nice support level, and that's what I'm after, but I need a break down the page. But we're in the trade on the short side, so let's hope for the best. The Euro US under normal circumstances, not a divergence trade. I'm still looking for the breakout or the retest up there. So if I get a retest of that 61% level, I'll still go. Euro still weaker than the dollar. And if it breaks down here, well, I'll see where my stop loss is at that moment. For the short on the divergence side, I may be adding to the trade a little bit more. But I'm going to need a strong break there before I do something there. Brent oil, we got the long here, nice hammer candle on the daily charts. Nice candle yesterday. Just holding on tight, target set at those highs there. Nothing new came in here. We might sit in this for a few days or maybe a few weeks even. I couldn't take it on the YouTube portfolio because the minimum risk size was bigger than the 1% I'm willing to risk on this specific portfolio. But on my personal portfolios, I definitely have that. Euro yen running up the page, retracement back to 50 and 61% right at these market structure levels. Lateral support and resistance, starting the retracement which I was hoping for. So now on the way, coming down very fast, so we'll see, but by the time it turns there, euro is still way stronger than the yen, so let's hope for the best. When it gets there, that I'll get some longs. Pound yen, also same kind of sell off. All the strong currencies are now, it's not selling off, most likely it's Friday, they're taking profits. It's to be expected. I'll see by the time it gets there. With the big black candles, I will only do 4-hour reversals, not 1-hour reversals. But the pound still way stronger than the yen. Nothing has changed here. So when it gets down there, I'll look for some long setups. US Swiss, this one is holding very well. Very, very, because the dollar is killing everything. So it's holding very well up there. And if it retraces, maybe next week I'll take some longs. Euro Swiss. Nice small swing here up the page there. A little bit risky going in at those highs, but the euro stays very strong everywhere and the Swiss is busy losing speed. So when it gets down there, I'll look for some 4-hour reversals, candle patterns, and then the New Zealand. I'm hoping for the break. Well, I got the break. Now I'm hoping for a retest and a reversal. At this stage, it looks a little bit strong. I think it's also a profit taking kicking in. So let's see if we can get some form of reversal here for a continuation then down the page. It's downtrend, triangle, the break. Let's hope for the retest and a counter reversal. So we're getting the retest, but a bit aggressive, a bit too aggressive. But we'll see. The FTSE retracing to the 50 and the 61% level. On a strong pound, I'm still willing to short this. Nice big trend down, so I'm waiting for those two levels and see what happens there before I will take some shorts. The pound New Zealand also starting to retrace back down to this 50% level. You can see between 50 and 61. Their structure there. I'll look at how the market responds when it gets there. The US yen, lovely longs for us, but okay, we didn't do anything here. But retracing back to the 50-61% level right at that highs. So when it gets there, US still stronger than the yen. I'll get interested in some long setups, providing RS stays like that. And the US CAD busy doing a consolidation for me. This could turn into a flag. I'm not saying it will, but we could see something like this maybe. But if it gets back down to the 60 or the 50% trade zone here, right at that market structure, I'll definitely be willing to take some longs on candle reversals. Also, if it keeps consolidating like this, I'll do the breakout and the retest. So that is something I'm looking at also, providing the dollar stays much stronger than the CAD. New Zealand CAD, big swing down, retracement back to 61% market structure there. So pretty much New Zealand very weak, so I need some strength to come in to push it up there. But if it gets there, I will definitely be then interested in some shorts. And the Aussie US, the same scenario. I need a retracement back to the 61% level. It's time for profit taking, but that doesn't mean it's going to be a trend reversal. So I would like to wait now to get back up there and see how the market responds. You will see Aussie still way weaker than the dollar. Then the CAD yen, last swing up here, retracement back to 50% market structure. So I would like to see this come back down here. You see here CAD is gaining slow. CAD and Aussie slowly gaining, but stalling below those three strong currencies. So I'll see on the retracement if I can get anything here. But definitely when it gets back down there, R is still in line, trend still in line. I'll look for some longs later today. CAD Swiss, very strong. CAD, you can see, is gaining. Swiss is falling. So on the retracement back to the 61%. I don't think it's going to happen today. Maybe late this afternoon, but we're going to need a big sell-off to get there this afternoon. But I put it on my list if something happens. This is just my watch list. This is not something I will trade. If it gets there, I'll see how it responds. Pound Australian dollar, well, selling off could also end up in the flag. I don't have any FIP levels I can trade here. However, the breakout, if the pound starts to find new strength, if it then breaks and retest, I will consider still longs there. This could just be a consolidation, but this could be a trend reversal. We don't know if this is just an ABC correction and then flying up the page again. We don't know. Very strong trend. Yes, it is time for some profit taking. It is Friday, so I'm expecting some retracements there. Pound CAD also retracing heavily, same scenario, a little bit of a consolidation. So if it breaks out and retest, I'll consider that. If I get a strong reversal off this 50% level of this Fibonacci swing here, I'll then look for some longs. But with these black candles, I will not do 1 hour trades on reversals long. That's not going to be strong enough. I'm going to need convincing 4 hour reversals. Euro Australian also coming down. Euro Aussie still in line. Wait for the 60%. Look at that levels. Resistance, resistance, support. So when it gets there, I'll see how the market responds. And if they like it, even the euro that's stronger than the Aussie, it's coming down. So yeah, so let's see if it can get there. If it gets there, I'll see how it will respond. And my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the Aussie yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you do not miss any of my videos. Now, let's get back to the Aussie yen. I like this one a lot because it's a little bit of a consolidation here. A little bit of a shoulder, head, shoulder, but a nice bottom reversal here with a strong push as a wave 1. On the Fibonacci retracement to the 50 to 61% trade zone, that is the structure there. So I like this. It's like a new trend coming in, and if it retraces back down there, Aussie is gaining. I'm watching this Aussie going from the bottom, gaining. Now I want to get into a trade before it hits the green levels, if possible. So if it retraces, I would like to get in the Aussie, but the yen's still black sheep of the market. So let's hope that we can get a retracement back down there. Then I'll look for some decent candle reversals. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link down below in the description, which I have been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.